everyone, welcome to NIMS University Rajasthan, BRAHMO 2022, organized by School of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering. From last 2 days, we are organizing this mega fest, Aerosfest, where the students are exposed to the lectures from DRDO, ISRO, Boeing Aerospace, Directorate, officials from Directorate of Civil Aviation and Indian Airlines and Indigo are participating in this mega event. Students also exposed to the how to launch the rocket, and the competition was held how to launch the rocket for the students of the engineering. All students are enjoying this event, and also the latest technical aspects of aerospace engineering was introduced to the engineering students. Thank you.
I, Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Singh, on behalf of School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, we are pleased to inform you that we have organized successfully 2-day seminar on BRAHMO-NIMS. In this, we have invited distinguished guests from ISRO, DRDO, Airbus, Boeing, and other pioneers of aviations. So, by organizing this 2-day event, the student of our school and have learned and achieved something very special, have added valuable knowledge to their, and I am very much thankful to convener of this program, Dr. Ankur Kulshrestha, and co-convener Mr. Manikandan, for organizing such a valuable and such a lovely event. Thank you.
Hi, I am Anbu Cholan, working in DGCA in Northern Region as a Airworthiness consultant. I am really happy to be here in NIMS University. It is in BRAHMO Aerospace Festival in 2020-22. They are conducting very good and interaction with the people who are attend the seminars. Really, I am happy and inspired with the people, how they are responded back with me, and they are doing best and improving for their students' knowledge. This is really appreciable and really happy for them, and thank you so much.
Hi, I'm John Joseph, working as a simulation engineer in SNPS department of Airbus. So it was a great honor to be a part of BRAHMO-NIMS 2022. This is a great platform where we got to interact with students, and during this post-pandemic era, it was really pleasure meeting people directly and interacting with them, also understanding their needs and addressing their questions. And also we met a lot of industry experts who came, and this collaboration gave us a lot of enthusiasm so that we take such events forward even in the future. Thank you.
I am Sudhakar, an aerospace engineer by both qualification and profession. Myself working in ISRO on R&D of rocket engines. I always wish to interact and give the knowledge to the student community. I want to propagate the knowledge. So I was invited as one of the guests for BRAHMO-NIMS in NIMS University, Jaipur. And it's really a pleasure to be a part of this wonderful event and deliver a guest lecture here. And the students are also very energetic and cheerful. They asked us a lot of questions about the opportunities and other things. Moreover, I could see the passion in them by the way they interact with me. Even after the session is over, personally the students came to me and asked they have done so and so projects, how they want to get into ISRO. So it's really a wonderful opportunity, and I would always love to guide students in supporting their career. And moreover, I can also help them with their projects if they are interested to do under my guidance. And like whatever knowledge I have got from my gurus who have given me, I am propagating the knowledge and spreading the roots of knowledge to the students. That is what how can I serve my nation and the student community. Thank you.
So I am Manikandan. I am working as an assistant professor in School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering in NIMS University. So in NIMS, engineering is a developing domain, and the management try to improve the standards of students. So since 2018, we are just inviting industrial experts. In 2018, we have organized the BRAHMO-NIMS 2018, in which we have invited a person from ISRO, Team Indus, Rockwell Collins, and Indigo Airlines. So noted that we have invited a Indigo, that is ISRO mission director. So Shri Sundaramurthy sir, so he came to the NIMS campus and he delivered the lecture about the space missions of PSLV rockets. And due to this COVID crisis, we are just having a 3 years gap, and we came back after 3 years like Olympics. So we have introducing a BRAHMO-NIMS 2022. So here we have invited 6 different guests, and from Indigo Airlines, we have a guest from DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation. We have a guest from the Airbus, top manufacturer of aircraft industry, and we have a guest from the Boeing Aerospace, and one more we have a guest from ISRO. So they just delivered the lecture on the day, that is 11th and 12th of the March 2022. Thank you.